Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to send pictures as snaps on Snapchat. It's super easy, so let's get started. First thing that we need to do is open the Snapchat app on your phone. And from here, we'll need to record a snap. You can make it just as short as possible. And you'll notice beside the snap that you took, there is a plus sign. Click on that. Now, at the right side of your screen, you'll see a lot of icons. Now, you just need to click on the last icon, the gallery looking icon. Tap on that. And choose the photo that you want to send to someone. Let's choose this. And click check. Now, from here, you need to click the snap that you took earlier at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on that and simply click delete. And now let's tap on preview, and there you go. A picture from your gallery, and you can send it to whomever you like. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!